Hey friends, Coach Sarah here with Array of Hope Health. I hope you guys are having a very Merry Christmas. I know Christmas is 2 days away and I wanted to show you guys a super fun gift that I got for my brother-in-law. He likes kind of unusual gifts and I thought this was really fun. And if you guys saw my video from yesterday, it all comes together very fittingly because I made a mistake in making the poodle doodles and I forgot the peanut butter. But luckily I fixed it. I just put a smear of peanut butter on top. That worked great. But look, I got my Bob Ross shirt on. This is actually my sister's. She gives me hand-me-ups because she's 10 years younger than me, so I get hand-me-ups instead of hand-me-downs, which are amazing, and I love them because she's way cooler and way more stylish than I am. So this cool shirt came from my sister, and it says, "Ever make mistakes in life? Let's make them birds." Yeah, they're birds now. Isn't that cute? So I have this on because I wanted to show you guys the most ridiculous yet practical Christmas gift that I have got for my brother-in-law. So are you ready? Are you ready? I got him the Bob Ross toaster. Like, who doesn't want some Bob Ross toast? So I thought, hey, let's make some Bob Ross toast and check this thing out. So I got the toaster out. It just looks like this. And it holds 2 slices of bread. Now, of course, we are Trim Healthy Mamas, so we're gonna use sprouted bread. This one's from Trader Joe's. This is their sourdough sprouted bread. And I'm gonna just throw in a couple pieces of this. Okay, just like that. So, oh, you know what? I think I gotta turn it up just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so technically, it burns the image of his face into the toast. Then you could have a Bob Ross sprouted sandwich. You could put some light Laughing Cow cheese and some lean deli ham or meat or turkey or whatever you have, and you can have a nice sandwich and cut up some like bell peppers on the side. So see, why not spark some joy and have a Bob Ross sandwich? Am I right? Come on, that's fun now. Okay. So while we're waiting on this, I found this toaster at, where did I find it at? Hobby Lobby. Thank you, my husband's chiming in. I couldn't remember. Hobby Lobby, and they had it on sale. So I want to say it was like $30 or something like that, $30, $40, somewhere in there. So definitely, I like the practicality of it, that it's usable, but it's also silly, and this fits perfectly. My brother-in-law likes things, I think he's gotten like an avocado peeler, like a slicer thing, and so any kind of like practical yet something you wouldn't traditionally buy for yourself, and I think this fits the bill. Because I don't know many people who'd go, oh, I gotta buy a Bob Ross toaster. I mean, I was feeling that though. I'll be honest, I walked by it and I went, I think I need that in my life. I think I need that in my life. And I went home and I always sleep on decisions like that because, come on, it's a little bit goofy. So I went home, slept on it, and then I went, oh, I know who it's for. It's perfect. And I had to go back. Actually, I sent Trim Healthy Papa back and he went and got it for me. Bless him. So, okay. I don't know how this is cooking here. It smells like it's burning, but I guess it's burning his image on, right? So, I don't know. Okay, if you haven't made some on-plan treats, go make some poodle doodles, go make some pecans. You guys want to see my pecans? I'm going to show them to you while we're waiting on our toast. Do you remember we made these a couple weeks ago? You can go check out that video if you haven't seen it. But I put them all in little to-go baggies, so these are great for gifts and passing them out and having them on hand. So I have a whole bunch of them ready. Okay, where did my tongs go? Here they are. Let's see. I feel like it's burning. I'm scared. I think I need to check this out. Oh, I think it's done. Let's see. You guys think his face is on here? Do you think it is? I don't know. If I can get it out. Oh, what? I'm having oh boy. Okay, here we come. Maybe this one. I don't know why. It's like stuck. This is life. Oh, there we go. I got it. I did it. Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. Okay, well, almost got his face. I think it feels like it's, what do you think? It's pretty close. That's pretty good. Let me see. I'm gonna check the other one. Maybe it got it better. This one looks a little more crispy. Definitely can see it though. What do you guys think? All right, this is Bob Ross sprouted toast. This looks good. Now, just make a little sandwich. Ta-da! Look, you can eat Bob Ross. Okay, loving it. All right, I hope that was helpful. Go get silly gifts that bring joy to your life. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. I can't wait for my brother-in-law to open this and have fun toasting up all the things, okay? All right, I love you guys. Merry Christmas. We'll see ya.